I'm Morgan from Unisub, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate our medium density fiberboard or MDF picture frame. These picture frames are really fun and unique. You can add patterns, quotes, or other text to them to make them extra special and personalized. Be sure to check out our other picture frames and photo panels manufactured by Unisub at unisub.com. Let's get started with our sublimation. First, let's go over the supplies you'll need to get started. A blank Unisub picture frame. I also have the photo printed out that I'm going to put into the picture frame. A print and transfer from my sublimation printer. Heat tape, a clean microfiber cloth, scissors, heat protective gloves, a cooling rack, 2 sheets of protective paper, and a heat press set to 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius.
Okay, let's go ahead and get our picture frame ready for sublimation. Turn on your heat press if you have not already done so. We recommend to set your press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit and press at a medium pressure. First, be sure to remove any film that might be on your product. Next, wipe off the frame with a clean microfiber cloth, just to make sure it's nice and clean. Another thing you want to do with all of our products that are MDF substrate is to run your finger along the edge of the product just to remove any excess foil that might be on the surface. Next, lay your print and transfer down on a flat surface. When you print out your transfer, make sure to leave enough excess white space so that you can fold it over your product, like I'll show you in a few minutes here. We can go ahead and line up our product and our transfer. Just keep in mind if you want a horizontal or vertical image where you'll be placing your keyholes. It's the same on both sides, so you don't need to worry right or left. Go ahead and line this up. Okay, and then we'll fold it over and using heat tape, secure it to our picture frame. I'm gonna put a piece here and one more piece on this side. Okay, it's nice and secure, so we can go ahead and move over to our heat press.
Let's place our picture frame in the heat press. Confirm that your press is at the correct temperature. Again, that's 385 degrees Fahrenheit or 195 degrees Celsius. Lay down a sheet of protective paper on the bottom of your press. Next, we'll lay the picture frame on the press. The back of the frame will be on the bottom. Your print and transfer will be on top. Go ahead and lay this on. Grab another sheet of protective paper and cover it. We're going to press this product from minute 10 to minute 25 at a medium pressure. Let's go ahead and press. One thing to keep in mind is that all presses are a little bit different, so be sure to find what time and temperature works best for you. Okay, we're ready to grab our picture frame off of the heat press. I'm going to put on my heat protective glove. It will definitely be hot, so use caution. Open your press, remove the top sheet of protective paper. Then you'll want to pull away the print and transfer from your picture frame, so you can grab this off if you want, and then using your hand, just remove that. I'm going to lay it on our cooling rack to cool off for a little bit, and then I'll meet you back at the table where I will show you how to insert your picture into your picture frame.
Okay, our frame is cooled off, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to insert a picture into the back of it. It's super easy to do and really similar to other picture frames that you're familiar with. You'll just turn it over. Go ahead and insert the glass. Then I have my picture printed out. I will put this in here. Just gonna make sure it's right side up. Then we can put on the backing. Turn those in. And our picture frame is done. Be able to sit up like so.
Our picture frame is done and it looks great. A photo frame makes a wonderful personalized gift for anyone. You can learn more about our products at unisub.com. Be sure to check out our partner portal for graphics, templates, product mockups, and more. Thanks for joining us today. Happy sublimating!